is our director of product. What are you?
That's a good question. Director of Product Design.
Director of Product Design. We have gotten a question in the community from Rasmus, and I hope I'm saying that right. We got 2 questions that we are going to answer here today for you. And the first one is about adjustable timing. Can we adjust a screen or a slide, how long it's shown? Sometimes it can be difficult to read the whole statement. That is something that we have gotten on our feature upvote, so I appreciate everyone who has been using that tool. It is extremely helpful, and we check it daily, so continue to vote and leave suggestions of things that you want there. The second is a request for longer templates. Something longer than 30 seconds, 45 to 60 seconds is specifically what he has asked for. So I brought Ryan here, and we are gonna answer these questions. So if you wanna take it away, we are all ears.
Yeah, so this has been a tough one because we get this one a lot. You know, we're a small company. You know, this when you talk to support, you're talking to Ariel. When you're upvoting things, we're both looking at it.
Yes.
And so we've kind of had to choose what sorts of videos we're making. And what that has meant from us from a technology standpoint is making videos that tell complete stories, start to finish, and are made in a very sort of linear, traditional way. We have looked at options where people could make a video in segments, and then segments themselves could be expanded and collapsed. That's something we're still very interested in doing, but it's technically very complicated, and you're ending up putting a lot of power into people's hands to potentially break the story
Right.
that they want to tell.
And we want things to continue to be easy for all of you to be able to use.
Yes.
So I imagine the more that we're adding different things in like that, it's starting to get a little bit more complicated.
Yeah, that, and one of the things in terms of focus is we've decided to pursue the TV commercial format as a really important part of our business. A lot of people who felt like they could never have a commercial on TV before can make a TV commercial with Waymark, and TV dictates a lot of what you can do with a video, right? There's a time limit, 30,
Right.
15, 6, those sort of things. I think we continue to look at ways for people to make different sorts of videos with Waymark. I just don't think we've figured out a way to put that in our short-term future.
Okay, so not on our short-term roadmap yet, but
Sorry.
why? we hear you, and we're working towards these things.
Yes.
We're working on so much right now, so many great new features. Maybe you can just shed a little bit of light on something that we are working on, something that's
Yeah.
exciting, and give them a little sneak peek. I don't have anything on the computer now. This is just straight from the mind of this incredible man.
Oh God. So we are paying a lot of attention to how people are using images. You're going to be able to do stuff with images like remove images.
It's been a big one. It's been a big one. I hear you,
We
and
did
I
it.
tell
We
them.
invented remove in 2019.
Removing images. It's gonna be great.
But you're also going to get things with images like some new options to make your entire image fit inside of your video.
It's gonna be so
new
good.
fit options, and we're
Yes.
even going to be adding controls for you to adjust your image. So if your image is a little too bright or a little too dark, be able to bring those up and look even better in your videos. So I wish this was an adjustable timing story for you, Rasmus, but it's a little bit of an image story for now, and hopefully we can attach a screenshot or something into
Right.
this thing so that
Yeah.
you can see some of it.
It'll all be coming. My last question here would be, if people are looking for an option or a tool or something, is there something that you would recommend if they're looking to do something like adjustable timing?
Yeah, so I'm a big fan of iMovie. If you have a Mac, it's free, and iMovie has really great tutorials for doing things like freeze framing a part of a video. So if you want a message to stay up a little bit longer and you're not constrained by 30 seconds of time, you can do stuff like that. And iMovie is even on iPhone. So if you have an iPhone, you can do that sort of stuff and play with your video even further. If you have access to some more professional tools like Adobe Premiere, you can certainly take a video in Adobe Premiere if you have iMovie and Premiere, you can even do things like attach your own audio to these sorts of videos.
There you go. Wonderful. Well, I hope that this has been helpful to you guys, and if you have more questions, please post them. This is what we're here. We're here to help you. We're here to answer your questions. And recommendations, like I said, continue to leave them on that upvote page.
Yes.
It is pinned at the top of this page, I believe. And again, we really appreciate you and all of your love and all of your support. So we hope you have a great Friday.
Happy Friday.
Bye.